Sugar Market has a lot to offer. Let's start by walking through how to navigate the application. Once you're logged in, you'll automatically be taken into your home page, where you'll see your global dashboard. The global dashboard gauges your overall account health with dashboards that can be drilled into for additional insights. You'll find your navigation bar on the left-hand side of your screen. At the top of your navigation bar, you'll see the three-line menu. Clicking this menu will open a panel that displays all the modules available in Sugar Market. The first icon in your navigation bar is Home. No matter where you are in the application, clicking on the Home icon will take you back to your global dashboard. Next, you have Quick Create. Clicking on this icon will expand the Quick Create menu, allowing you to easily create new market assets and records, such as emails, nurtures, pages, forms, contacts, and so on. Below Quick Create, you'll find a list of the modules that are available in Sugar Market. The core modules that are static in the left-hand navigation are emails, pages and forms, nurtures, and leads and contacts. However, if you need to navigate into a module that isn't listed, you can expand the navigation bar by clicking on the three-line menu. In terms of navigating the modules within the navigation bar, clicking into the icon will take you directly into the module. Or, if you click on the three-dot menu, you'll see a list of Quick Create actions for that module. I'll click into Emails. Here, you'll see that I'm taken directly into the Emails module list view. Some modules in Sugar Market have a list of submodules displayed to the right of the navigation bar that will allow you to navigate to the other applicable areas for the module you are viewing. For instance, within Emails, we can navigate into Email and Alert Templates. Clicking into one of those menu options will take me to a list of those items. Within the module view, I also have a search bar at the top that allows me to search my items. And to the right, I have an icon that allows me to toggle between my active and archived items, as well as the option to view my items by folder. This icon allows me to dictate how I would like my list view sorted. And to the far right, we have our Create button to create a new item or folder. Most of the module views are relatively similar, so I won't navigate into each one. Let's continue down the navigation bar. Next, we have Analytics. Clicking on this option will take me into the Analytics screen, where I'm able to see a menu of the various reports, dashboards, and advanced analytics available in Sugar Market. Next, we have the Asset Library, where you can access all the images and documents that have been uploaded to support your marketing efforts. And finally, we have the Help icon. This includes your Sugar Market domain information, as well as quick links to documentation, training through SugarU, and our Sugar Club community. Let's move to the top right of the screen. Here, we're able to see our notifications such as key messages, warnings, and alerts. And we also have your user menu, where you can access and make changes to your profile, report subscriptions, and admin and global settings. And that's a quick overview of how to navigate Sugar Market.